Yes, folks, it's a Vanagon stereo upgrade, replacing the Blaupunkt with a dual CD player. Quite a bit to do with the wiring because it's a different setup. Okay, it should come on when we just put in the key. Yep, there she goes. And the old Blaupunkt Manhattan stereo with a cassette is in high demand from Porsche owners, so that can be sold. Okay, seems great. Okay, it's in, and now just soldered up some wires to fit the actual speaker wires, which will run back down there and then over to here where the speaker wires are. So already marked, so it should be next step.